Hi, this is Wayne from E-Stim Systems. Just a quick video to demonstrate how to take an E-Stim Systems electrode apart for cleaning. Using a 6mm Allen key, loosen the mounting bolt. Hold the bolt with your thumb and unscrew the head. Remove the neck insulator and then remove the bolt and the white plastic collar. Try not to lose the insulating collar. Use hot water and medical grade cleaning solutions. Always rinse well and do not use caustic or abrasive materials. Electrodes can be steam sterilised, but they may discolour slightly. Ensure the electrode is totally dry before reassembly. Take the mounting bolt, slide the white plastic collar on, insert the bolt and collar into the base, take the neck, note it might have a lip on one side, and slide it onto the bolt with the lip down, and then screw the head on. Use the Allen key to gently tighten the bolt. Do not over tighten. That is your electrode fully assembled.